In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install the Rhino-Rack Backbone system to a Toyota 4Runner. Before commencing, refer to the instruction manual and cross-check all components are supplied according to the parts list. As well, have on hand the correct tools and safety equipment as recommended. To begin, with a nylon scrape or similar tool, carefully pry the factory rail cover off from the outside of the vehicle. Next, remove the M8 bolts from the front and rear of the factory rail. Be sure to crack both bolts first before taking them all the way out. Once all bolts are out, remove the rails from the roof. Repeat this process on the other side. Be sure to clean off any dirt or debris left under the rails with a clean microfiber cloth. One at a time, peel off one side of the backing tape on the supplied butyl patches before placing them carefully over all threaded mount points. Be mindful not to push down on the plastic tubes in the holes, as you may lose them in the roof. Note, the hole in the butyl patch is meant to be slightly smaller than the hole in the roof. This is to allow for some of the patch to be picked up by the bolt when screwing it in, ensuring that it is well sealed. Once all butyl patches are stuck on, remove the top layer of backing tape as shown. Now it is time to install your backbone. Make sure you use a protective mat when laying parts and tools out on the roof of the vehicle. Place the backbone onto the roof of the vehicle, lining up the mounting points of the bracket to those exposed on the roof in the previous steps. Ensure the logo on the backbone is positioned to the front. Using the supplied M8 dome screws, M8 spring and flat washers, place the hardware into the mounting holes on the rails. Make sure hardware and holes align with roof mounts before proceeding. Tighten bolts to manufacturer's specifications using the supplied Allen key. Repeat the process on the rear mounting point. Install the backbone on the other side of the vehicle by repeating the same process. Next, assemble your Pioneer platform according to instructions. Refer to your vehicle fitting chart for the underbar spacing for your specific platform size. Once your Pioneer platform is ready, insert supplied T-bolts to the underbar channels on the Pioneer. Flip the Pioneer platform so that it is upright. To ensure that the T-bolts do not fall out of the underbar channels, make sure you flip it from front to rear. Carefully walk the Pioneer platform over the back of the vehicle and onto the backbone. On both sides, align the underbars with the top tabs and ensure the T-bolts sit in the mounting holes. Finger tighten the nuts on each of the T-bolts as you work your way around the platform. Once all T-bolts are in the mounting holes, tighten according to the specifications in your instructions. Now your Rhino-Rack Backbone is ready for use.